Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April and today I'm going to be unboxing plant mail. So this is a very exciting video in my opinion. I did order what did I order? Oh, I ordered a philodendron micans, a Hoya Mathilde, and I ordered that fungus gnat absorbing plant, the Pinguicular Gigante. So I'm very excited for that one to come in. Unfortunately, I only have the box with the Hoya and the philodendron micans. So those are the ones I'm going to be showing you now. USPS does say that my Pinguicular Gigante is out in the mail. So hopefully by the end of the night, I can get that one in this video as well. But for now, let's unbox what we have here. I need scissors. Oh, they're right here. I got my scissors. And we're going to be opening this box. I ordered on Etsy from the Plant Veteran. This is the first time I order from that plant shop, so I'm excited to see how they package this plant. Okay, first I have this. What is this, an invoice? 2 items, philodendron micans in a 2-inch pot and a Hoya Mathilde with 4 leaves. So this is what they look like. It's my Hoya. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Really want to unravel these very carefully just to avoid ripping any leaves. Hoya are very delicate plants, so I'm quite a bit nervous. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is what the Hoya Mathilde looks like. I'm gonna take off the rest of the wrapping, but I really wanted a Hoya Mathilde because I have the Hoya obovata. That's my favorite plant, literally. This is what she looks like unraveled. Oh my god, this is so adorable. I'm so excited. This is my philodendron micans. I've been wanting a micans for a very long time, but they're so expensive for some reason. Oh my gosh. Okay. The soil looks very dry. This is what my philodendron micans looks like. Oh my god, I can't believe I have it. The back of the leaves. Is that a new growth point? Oh my god, it looks like it is. It's actually pretty damp, so I don't think she needs a drink at all. But it also came with this little growth point, if you can see it right there. I'm very excited to have this one as well. I'm gonna get her a moss pole once she pops out a couple more leaves and once I transfer it into something else. Definitely transferring both of these plants into LECA. Now we just have to wait for my Pinguicular Gigante, the fungus gnat absorbing plant. I mean, these are freaking stunning, like cutest thing you've ever seen. And this, ooh, I thought that was a millibug. This is gorgeous as well, like so velvety, so pretty. Once she starts to get shrivelly, I will water her, but until then, she doesn't need water. Either way, if my Gigante comes today, I'll film it today. But if it comes tomorrow, which I'm guessing it will because it's in transit. It was in Boston at 3:35. I don't think it's coming today. I will see you guys when my Gigante gets here.
3 days later.
Living in the city be like, should I just shut the window? I literally just got stabbed by my cactus in the windowsill. What the hell? Is it too dark? Do I look too dark? I think it's a little dark. So it's obviously a few days later. The last time I saw you guys was on Friday when I unboxed my Hoya Mathilde and my philodendron micans. My Pinguicular Gigante did not come in the mail Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, so it's now Monday. I was on my way back from the laundromat and I noticed I had a package. Oh my god, am I sweating? I am sweating because it's muggy as shit outside. It's literally been raining for a month at this point. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this plant. I'm not sure the shop name. I could look it up on my phone. I'll link it in the description box where I got this plant, but it was a shop from Etsy. It came bare root, so I'm guessing that it's just gonna be a plant with roots, and I'm going to put it in LECA. It's a carnivorous plant, and I know, well, I've heard that carnivorous plants don't do that well in LECA, but you know me, I'm gonna try it anyway, and if it dies, oh well. mustache is sweating. I can feel it. It's wet. Does my mustache look wet? My mustache area. Ah! I'm so excited. Thank you. Aw, it came with care instructions. Sure size 1 to 5 inches in diameter depending on species. Light, they thrive in partial sun. Sunny windows. P5 or LED lights work well too. Soil 60% PMOS, but you already know what we're doing. LECA. Humidity 50 to 80% with adequate airflow. Water during its active growing season provide enough distilled water for the media to remain moist but not too wet. During winter drought to reduce water and allow media to dry out regularly. Temperature 55 to 80. Dormancy 9 for reduced watering and photo period to encourage winter succulent state. So to acclimate the new plant, please avoid direct sunlight for a few days. This will help the plant recover faster. I'm so happy they put that there because I probably would have put this plant in direct sunlight. Okay, let's open it. Ah! Wait, I need that. But this is what it looks like. It came in this little container. I'm scared to open it. I also had Dunkin' Donuts coffee today, and I swear Dunkin' Donuts food and coffee both have poison in them. So that's what's wrong with me. Oh, wait. Gooch. Oh my gooch. Oh my gooch. Okay, I'm just gonna take her out. Whatever. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna show this plant. That was really hard. Before I do something crazy. Okay, April. Okay. Guys, this is my Pinguicular Gigantea fungus gnat absorbing plant. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Ah! I'm so excited. Just look at it. Just look at it for a second. God, I'm so excited. She looks like she might lose a leaf. I gotta get her in something. So this is a jar I'm going to be transferring her into LECA with. And I filled it up this high because her root system is about this big. Put her on top and have the water pretty high. I'm actually gonna put water in it first. I don't even know if that's a good idea, my clumsy ass. So I'm taking water bottle water. I can't believe I have a fungus gnat absorbing plant. I am so excited. There's a little bit of dirt on the roots. I don't know if I should rinse that off or not. I know you plant fanatics like to see roots, and so do I. But this is what her roots look like. They have a little bit of dirt on them, and I feel like I should rinse this off before I put her in LECA. And it also looks like those little white roots. You can see them, those little white roots are water roots that grew on its way here because it was wrapped in, this is what it was wrapped in. So I think it grew a few water roots, but I am gonna go rinse this off as gently as possible because I don't wanna lose any of these roots. Look how delicate they look. They're wicked delicate. I did just rinse her off, and she has dead fungus gnats on her from like, I keep almost dropping this thing, oh my god. Off her leaves a little bit, ooh, that's gross. The leaf that's gonna die has the most fungus gnats on it. You have to be very careful with this plant. It's very, very delicate. I don't even know if I was supposed to let it, like the whole thing. I hope it doesn't die. I've literally have dropped her twice already. I'm gonna put her into LECA now. Try to put her in like this, like holding her, I was gonna say wings. Okay, Pinky, get out. I don't wanna break this, I'm so scared. This comes out like this. Like it's curved and it comes out so it's wider at the top. So I want to make sure her leaves are like right on the top and her roots are like in here. So I'm just gonna make a little spot for her roots with the LECA. Wish there was an easier way to pick this plant. Bitch, oh my god. My camera just died, but while it was charging for a minute, I actually put her into the container that she came in. I was literally searching my house for something wide enough that I can put her in. That would be like a comfy fit. And I was just like, wow, I have this. So this is what she looks like right now. I don't want to spill water. This is what she looks like. I did leave the water level pretty high. You can see it. And we can all pray to the plant lords that this thing will thrive. Literally just gonna stick her on my shelf I don't know when she starts producing that sticky stuff that attracts the fungus. Oh, I think that it's already on there. This is her close-up. But yes, I'm very excited for this plant. When she acclimates to my house, I will be putting her probably under the grow light or in a windowsill. Instead, I'm going to stick her over here for now. Ooh, I did also pick up another plant. Where did I see this? I think I saw this plant at Walmart. This was one of my first plants, not this plant specifically, but the polka dot plant. Look how gorgeous this plant is. Like, wow. So when I saw it, I was like, I can definitely use one of these again. Actually, I might propagate this entire plant and put it into LECA. This is a really easy plant to propagate. It's one of those plants where you'll see roots within a week. So I definitely plan on propagating her and putting her into LECA. A lot of my propagations do have roots. Look at those roots. I don't know if you can see them that well, but they're in there. And that was for the elephant bush plant. We're gonna be switching all of these to LECA soon. I'm so excited. That's probably gonna be my next video, actually. My ficus tree. This plant always gets roots so easily. Cool thing before I let y'all go, I stuck some caladium balls into dirt. I don't know if I planted them upside down or what, but I grew these. I gave my grandpa one too, and he has it in the garden growing out of the ground. It's so cute. That does bring me to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed looking at the new plants that I brought into my collection. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.